We finally made it back to our home airport.
Lackington Mew.
Uh-huh.
Keep your passports ready for the customs check.
The airport floor is so shiny and clean here. It feels weird not being on a moving ship anymore. Yeah, look at it. It is really pretty though.
Your backpack looks very full today, Jinu.
I packed all my clean clothes in it, Dad.
I need to make sure I have all the customs forms.
Just tell the truth and we will be perfectly fine.
You're right.
I know we will be.
Good morning. Do you have anything to declare today? Good morning. No, sir. Just some cheap souvenirs.
Those stones are very clear. They look like real diamonds.
Oh no, it is just cheap glass and cheap metal.
Excuse me, miss. Where did you get that necklace?
I bought it at a small indoor market, sir.
She is telling the truth, officer. It only cost $20.
If this is real jewelry, you must declare it properly. I need to verify that.
Do you have a store receipt?
Run.
We promise it is fake. We did not buy real diamonds.
A receipt? Proof of purchase for the necklace?
Michael, please tell me you kept the receipt for her.
I kept it. I know I kept it somewhere. You are making us look very guilty right now, Michael. Sir, without a receipt, I must treat it as undeclared jewelry. Please, just give me 1 minute to find the paper. The penalty for undeclared diamonds is $2,000. $2,000? For a $20 glass necklace?
Dad is going to have to pay $2,000. That is all of his money for the whole year.
Michael, find that piece of paper right now.
I am trying, Anna. My hands are shaking from stress.
Jinu,
I think I put the receipts in your backpack.
my backpack?
I did not see any papers in. Check again.
Are you checked, Dad? Did check, Dad. Wait, let me look inside the side pocket. It must be here.
Be careful, Dad. My personal stuff is in there.
Sir, please place the bag on the metal inspection table.
Yes, sir. I am just looking for a tiny piece of paper. Wait a minute. What is this strange item in here?
Uh-oh.
I think you found my top secret item.
What secret? What did you put in your bag? Just a small snack from the breakfast buffet.
Is this a meat product wrapped in a napkin? I have absolutely no idea what that is, officer.
Jinu, did you bring a breakfast sausage from the ship? It was the best sausage in the world, Mom.
Ma'am, you cannot bring foreign meat into this building.
I am so sorry, officer. I did took it.
That is irresponsible.
First fake diamonds, now illegal sausages.
No.
This is a disaster.
Keep calm, Michael. We just need to explain politely.
Young man, this is a serious violation of the airport rules.
I am sorry. I just wanted to eat it later at home. You are going to airport jail for a breakfast sausage. Don't say that. I am way too young for jail.
Since he is a child.
I will only issue a warning today.
Thank you so much. We will be much more careful.
However, I must confiscate and throw away this meat.
Oh, goodbye, Mr. Sausage. Wait, officer! Don't throw away that paper wrapper!
This paper? It is contaminated by the meat grease. Rumi is right. Let me see that paper, please. Sir, do not touch it. I will unfold it for you. It looks like a printed store receipt. Yes, that is it. I knew I didn't throw it away.
You wrapped a greasy sausage in our important customs receipt? I needed something to keep my backpack clean, Mom.
It says here, 1 glass necklace, $20.
Well, see? I told you it was just cheap glass.
Well, this proves the value. No $2,000 penalty. Thank goodness. That was way too close. You actually saved the receipt in the weirdest way possible.
I am a genius at hiding important documents. That glass necklace very sparkly under these bright lights.
I know. It looks really fancy for $20.
Do you have any other jewelry to declare, miss?
Yes, sir. I have a few silver bracelets I bought from my friends.
As long as the total is under $800, you are fine.
It is only $300. I promise.
You are an honest family. You are free to go now. Thank you for your patience, officer. Have a great day. I never want to experience that much stress again.
My heart is still beating incredibly fast.
I am happy for you, but I really miss my sausage. I will buy you a big hamburger when we get home, buddy.
So, the side pocket of your backpack is the new safe?
Huh? It was a perfect hiding spot until the officer found it.
I am proud of you for being honest about the bracelets, Rumi.
I was too scared to lie after the diamond mistake.
I am going to frame this $20 receipt on the wall.
Please wash your hands first. It smells like pork.
We should call it the heroic sausage from now on.
The heroic sausage that saved us $2,000.
Look, the car is waiting right outside the doors.
Home sweet home. I cannot wait to sleep in my own bed.
This airport is basically an indoor adventure park. An adventure park with very strict security guards.
Next time, we are bringing half the amount of clothes.
Oh, I completely agree. We packed way too much stuff. Do you think we will ever go on another trip like this?
Ask me again in exactly 5 years, Michael.
Mom, I am officially starving right now.
We will order a huge pizza as soon as we get inside the house.
See? Pizza is way better than a cold cruise ship sausage. You are right. A hot pizza is the best food ever.
We survived the trip, the lines, and the customs officers.
We are a very strong team when we work together.
I want the front seat in the car. No way! You sit in the back. You smell like meat.
They are already fighting again. Everything is back to normal.
I would not want it any other way, Anna. This is the last heavy bag. We are officially done.
Goodbye, airport. See you next time.
Get in, Ginu.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Let's head home safely.
I am ready. Let's go.
Next stop, our comfortable living room and a giant pizza.
Best ending to the craziest indoor adventure ever.